Hey, Amazon shoppers, this is Drew with a quick review of this 42-ounce stainless steel bento box that I got recently on Amazon. I just want to do a very quick unboxing. I also want to talk about the most main and prominent features of this bento box. I also just want to put some food in it so you kind of see what it looks like when there's food in it, how much it can actually fill, just for some frame of reference, and yeah, just have a chat about it. I always like to thank the brand for sending over a gift so I can give you this full-on extensive review of this really awesome bento box. Now, looking at everything that comes inside of the bento box, you have the actual 42-ounce stainless steel bento box right here, and there's actually a couple things that are very noteworthy about the box itself. First of all, this is completely machine washable, so no matter how dirty it gets, you can always just put this in the washing machine and it will be completely fine. It's made out of pure stainless steel with some sort of silicone pattern, some sort of silicone base at the actual base of the bento box. Also, they have this little steam, releaser right here, so in case you keep things really hot and steamy, you have a very hot meal inside of the bento box. This will keep everything super duper hot, but if you want to release some of that steam, you can just release it like this and it will release the steam as so. If we actually open up the box with this little handle on the right here, there is a couple things that come inside of it. So first of all, there's this little basically instruction manual. It also informs you of all the different other items. It basically just shows you hey, it's like a welcome card essentially. It does give you some instructions of how to actually use it, the convenience of it, just to get you more familiar with the actual bento box. This is another really, really nice thing. I did not really expect this. It comes with its own little sauce cup right here. So let's say you're having a Japanese meal, which is what I'm going to be using for the demonstration, and you have some yum yum sauce. You can easily just put that right there, or you can just pour the yum yum sauce like so. So that's going to be very interesting. It's just very nice to have this just as a side sort of thing in case you want to put ketchup, yum yum sauce, mayo, whatever you really want, any sort of sauce. It's nice to have this so you can kind of keep things separated. Speaking of separated, it does come with this little separator right here. So you can kind of just you want to have rice and chicken, you want to have chips and steak, you want to have steak and a potato, you could separate things as so, just like this. I'm going to very quickly put some food in this, show you what it actually looks like, and then give you my final thoughts of this bento box. And there we go, this is what it looks like with the food actually in it. As you can see, the separator is definitely doing work. I got the chicken on one side, got the rice on another, and then in this little cup right here, I do have the yum yum sauce that was provided from the food that I got. But yeah, in summary, this bento box is absolutely amazing. If you need something to help you, like a little lunchbox for work, or something to bring on the picnic, something for meal prep, this is a fantastic little bento box. It's 42 ounces. It comes with a little cup right here. It's all machine washable, so you can use the washing machine to actually clean everything. This lid is amazing because obviously when you put it on, you keep everything hot, and you can only release the steam with that little piece right there. Really just awesome bang for your buck little bento box if you need something just to fill up a lot of food, keep your food warm, and also carry a little bit of sauce on the side. But yeah, it's really my full review of this stainless steel 42-ounce portable bento box / lunch box that I got recently on Amazon. Again, if you're in the market for a lunch box that is just very stylish, very simple, keeps your food organized, this is a great one in my opinion. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.